I'm joined now from Cape Town by Vanessa Poonah, who's been covering proceedings outside court for us. Vanessa, are proceedings still delayed, and what does this imply for the manner in which security forces act in protest going forward?
Yes, well, a short while ago, we saw legal counsel for the 9 students and the 1 parent entering court after a few hours of deliberations in chambers before the matter does go ahead, after it was postponed here in the Western Cape High Court last night. And then just inside for a few minutes and then back out again. So it would appear as though there is still no consensus. Early on when we spoke to the Legal Resource Centre, they said that they were thrashing out issues so that the matter can be dealt with amicably. But at this stage, it doesn't look as though there has been any agreement between the two parties. We haven't managed to speak to the state attorney, saying to us earlier on that they won't be doing any media interviews. Now, earlier this morning, when we arrived here at the Western Cape High Court, there was quite a few students from UCT as well as Stellenbosch gathering here on the steps of the High Court before today's proceedings. It's largely quiet here today. We do know that there is a huge mass meeting taking place at UCT as we speak. And I do expect that a lot of the students, those also interested in the outcome of this application, will have joined their colleagues at that mass meeting at UCT. The implications, of course, with regards to this interdict, which deals with the manner in which police handled the protesting students, could be quite significant if the court does indeed grant the interdict against the kind of force we've seen used by police. This could bode, like I said, implications for the future protests, as students have vowed to continue their protests and protest action until there is no increase of fees or no increase in fees for next year. So the implications of this court interdict would affect student protests, I think, going forward until they decide to cancel or to suspend them once they get the agreement or the amount that they agree to.
Thank you very much. We will leave it there. That's Vanessa Poonah live from the Western Cape High Court.